I'm Chef Jasper, and today we're in the kitchen preparing Vietnamese Banh Mi. You've probably heard about this sandwich. Heck, everybody loves it. It's not hard to prepare. Watch how I prepare it, and it's so delicious. A lot of history, so listen up while I prepare. Now, start off, we need a pan, a little bit of olive oil. You know I love my olive oil. And of course, some shrimp, beautiful shrimp, already peeled and deveined. In the meantime, you have to have a baguette bread. Banh Mi, that's what it means, bread. Actually, it means wheat bread. But we're gonna cut this into, I like a sandwich style, you know, so about like this right here. Can you hear that? There you go. You know it's crispy. And we'll just slice this right down the middle here and set this aside. Okay, so we are really getting ready for this. I mean, it's not difficult at all. Along with this bread, I have some shredded carrots. A little bit of cilantro I'm gonna chop up. Of course, I'm gonna make a Sriracha Mayo. That's so easy. Just wait and see. In the meantime, let's get these shrimp going. We're gonna saute them. Don't have to season the shrimp or anything because, you know, this right here, this is gonna do the trick, I'm telling you. Now, you want some red peppers? Go ahead, add some red peppers. You want some sliced jalapenos? I like sliced jalapenos on mine. Some people put a pickle on it. Doesn't matter. Okay, green onions, shallots, doesn't matter. You know, whatever you have in your garden, let's put that on because now the original Banh Mi has become like a Banh Mi of sorts. The original, well, because of the colonial French and taking over, you know, parts of Vietnam. Well, that's even better now. What happened? All this influence of the French into the Vietnamese cuisine, the Vietnamese into the French cuisine, it gets even better. They start off with pâté, yes, a sliced pâté in the bread with some shredded carrots and cilantro. Then it took off and started with roast beef and shrimp and salami, and people do it with ham, so that's up to you. You could even do a vegetarian one with tofu. Yes, I've seen it with tofu, and you know what? It's pretty good, I'll tell you that. Beautiful, beautiful shrimp. Olive oil, you could do a little butter. I like the olive oil flavor myself. But I think the olive oil kind of helps with the flavoring onto our bread, so same with the butter, come on. This is all we have to do. In the meantime, while that is just finishing up, let's start this really quick mayo that I'm going to prepare. You don't need a lot. Oh yeah, come on. About 2 to 1 is what I like to do. A little honey. I don't know. I think the honey just makes this dish. But we can't forget, we do need some lime juice. The shrimp is about 90% finished right now. Let's just get our lime juice in here. Mix this all up very quickly. I put probably a little too much lime juice in there, but I don't care. And some cilantro. Some people chop it up. I think this is probably about enough right here. That's it. That's all you got to do. We don't want to chop it up. You don't want it like chopped parsley. Mix this up very, very quickly. Get a little whisk here. That's it. And now let's put this together. I mean, does it get any easier? I don't know. Hold this bread, just hold it there together, okay? And then I'll spoon some of this shrimp on there. Just on the bottom, because next I'm gonna actually drizzle that mayo combo I prepared. Right on top of this. Oh yeah. And then I'll put a little bit more on this top of the bread. I like a lot of it for flavoring. Let's build it up now. We have our carrots. Got to have the carrots. We don't want to cover the shrimp up too much, but we did. So a little of this, look at that, that's all we have. Now, we have to let people know it's shrimp in there, okay? So, of course, I mean, you want to put more shrimp on top. I put a little green onion on top. That's it. Yes, a whole green onion just like that. Did I make it quick enough for you? It's a banh mi. Such great history. It's easy to prepare. Maybe 7-8 minutes and you have a great sandwich. Think of the other combinations you could put on here. Jalapeno, fresh vegetables, you name it. It's a banh mi. I love to serve to my friends. A quick dish for the summertime. Brought to you by Hen House Markets.